Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can change the notification settings in Zangi Messenger app. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Zangi Messenger app on your phone. After you open the Zangi Messenger app, go ahead and keep the passcode if you have kept it before. Now go ahead and click on the settings icon on the bottom right hand corner of your screen. The next thing you want to do is scroll a little down and you can see the notifications icon. Go ahead and click on notifications and you can see the total notifications, the message sounds, the group sounds, call sounds, other and reset notification settings. So you can enable or disable the notifications according to your wish. If you want to disable all of the notifications and want it to be silent, you can do this and you will not receive any notifications at all. But if you want to turn on or off certain notifications, you can do that as well. So you can just go ahead and enable the notifications from here and disable it as well. So if you want to light the screen up for messages, you will just go ahead and enable it and the screen will light up or not according to the enable or disable function. So if you want to reset the notifications, just go ahead and click on reset and all of the notifications will be reset as well. So guys, this is how easy it is to change the notification settings in Zangi Messenger. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.